Welcome everyone to What's Life. In many countries of the world, the second or even the third wave of COVID 19 has affected many lives. Because of it, many governments across the world are imposing lockdowns and trying to protect their own citizens from COVID 19. Now, at this moment in time, it's very hard because we have already sat at homes for who knows, maybe 6 months in a year or a year, and to do it again is going to be very hard, even if it might be less. I hope so. But I think there are many things you can do again. Some things you have not done in the past or in the first wave of lockdown. I can suggest you 10 tips to do something in this second lockdown. The first of them would be working out. Do it again. Get on your mat, get some dumbbells, get going. Get up in the morning, work out. If you're not a morning guy and you want to sleep to, 10, 11, then no problem. You can go in the evening, get some dumbbells, do it again in the evening. But work out. It's really gonna be beneficial to you mentally as well as physically. Then the second tip will be cooking. Why not get on your cooking manuals? There are 10,000 recipes on YouTube. Increase their views and also increase some taste in your food. Have some tasty food and cook well. Every girl likes a guy who can cook. Then the third tip would be to listen to good podcasts. Some of the best recommendations would be the Tim Ferriss Show, the Joe Rogan podcast. These podcasts will really increase your knowledge, and after the lockdown is finished, you will be a different person altogether. The fourth tip I would like to give is to watch the Mahabharata series. The Mahabharata is not just an epic that it can only be seen or listened by the Hindus or is only for them. Even if you're not an Hindu, you can see it. It's an absolutely amazing show. It's like a series with a lot more knowledge, a lot more knowledge and a lot more realisticness than the new ones. Have a look at it. Then the fifth tip would be focus on drinking water. Keep on drinking water. Drink a lot of water each and every day. Keep healthy and also have some cold showers in the morning. There's nothing better, I can assure you that. Then the sixth tip would be meditation. There'll never be a better time to learn about meditation or to learn how to meditate. Nowadays it's become even more important to know how to meditate. Start meditating, see how you can meditate, find things in yourself that you never have known before. Then the seventh tip would be to watch a motivational movie or some romantics as well. In terms of motivational movies, my tips would be the Rocky series, the Rocky Balboa series. I think the first four are really good. You can also watch all, but you can't miss the first four: Rocky 1, 2, 3 and 4. Watch them. Then the eighth tip would be spend time with your family. You're at home, you're not doing anything. Later on, we all will be busy in our jobs, in our work and whatever is there. But right now, we should be doing what we need to do, and that is spending time with our family as well. Do it. The ninth tip would be to improve our skills. There are many hobbies that we have, maybe singing, maybe dancing, maybe art. Improve them. Sit at home, improve them. Do what you love. Enjoy it and improve them. And finally, cleanliness. Keep your house clean. Keep your room clean. Clean up your bed sheets. Make up your bed. Each and every day, do it well, and that will give you the momentum for the rest of the day. So these are some of the tips that I give for lockdown. Subscribe to the channel and learn what's life right now when you don't know what to do in life.